5 things you need to have if you're trying to be an Instagram influencer on Instagram in 2019 on your profile and your account. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am so excited to have Jessica Carroll here in my little studio.
I'm so excited to be with you and with you.
Yay! Welcome, welcome. So Jess is an incredible 100K plus YouTube influencer and social media influencer, and also a transformational self-love developmental coach as well. So I'm so excited to have you here to chat all things Instagram influencer and basically sharing with you guys the 5 things you need to have if you're trying to be an Instagram influencer on Instagram in 2019 on your profile and your account.
Yes, because we all know Instagram changes all the time.
All the time. So if you guys haven't watched any of my previous videos on being an Instagram influencer and what things you should be looking at right now in order to change and grow on Instagram this year, please go and look at the other Business Boss videos in the playlist section. And today we're diving into the 5 tips. So diving into the first most important part on Instagram is having a good name and bio section, right?
Yes, very important.
So basically, when you create an account or if you're looking to grow your influence on Instagram, having that good @ name, it should be your real name, right? Don't you agree?
Mine's Just Carroll TV.
Mine's my full name. And then also, the biggest part that a lot of people don't really know, which is a really good, I want to say kind of like an Instagram hack, is if you have your full name as your @ name, that name section in your bio section, I would change that and not have your name in there at all. I would figure out your niche, whatever that is that you're trying to do on Instagram, whether you're a fitness influencer, beauty, makeup, fashion, travel, lifestyle, all of that, put that in your name section.
Fail right here. I have @Just Carroll and my name is Jessica Carroll. So thanks to this lovely lady right here and her expertise, I'm gonna go in and change and maybe put TV host or transformational coach, something, because that name, it's searchable.
It's searchable. So if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna put up a little screen capture right here on my phone. You guys will be able to see that if you type in fitness, you're gonna see a lot of fitness accounts first. And it's not because their name is in the @sign, it's because it's in that name section in the bio. And then my second part to this is having a really good, clear bio section. Like I see a lot of Instagram people who actually want to be influencers or trying to grow their account, and their bio section is just full of like things that are just not relatable to their account. Like,
no, I think the best is like coffee lover or like puppies and flowers.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, so if people are going to come to your page, they can see in the pictures you post that you love puppies and coffee.
Exactly.
But, I mean, and I think that I love the bios where you share what you're interested in, but also how you can help your audience.
Yes. So I like to tell everyone to put the 3 W's in your bio section and keep it to just that, which is who are you, what do you do, and why should I follow you?
Okay, so what is yours?
So mine is, I'll pull it up right now actually.
Ooh, put it to the test.
So with mine, who am I? I do fitness stuff, so I post fitness stuff. What do? I help influencers grow and monetize their personal brand. And who, what, why should you guys follow me? Well, I help influencers and I post fitness stuff. So if you're looking to grow your brand on social media, this is the page to follow.
Yeah, or transform your body.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's do mine. Is mine good or bad? Okay, does it get the thumbs up or the thumbs down?
For yours, you have health, fitness, lifestyle, fun. Perfect.
That's who I am.
That's who you are. You're an on-camera host.
Yep, that's the who.
And I'll help you say yes to mastering your morning and mastering your life. So that's what you do. I love that. I'm gonna follow this girl. Yay! So number 2, staying on that bio section part, the link in bio is crucial real estate on your Instagram account. Am I right?
You're right, because there's only one link you can put there.
Yes, one link. Now there are a few apps like Linktree is a very popular one, which you can use their platform in order to, once you click that, it pulls up a page where you can list a ton of links. But what I love to tell everybody, and this kind of goes into as you grow your influence, you don't own Instagram. You don't own your platform. You don't own your account. I've had many situations where I've had friends or people that I know that have lost access to their accounts. They've been hacked. They've somehow been locked out and never been able to retrieve their account, and that is devastating.
Right. You can no longer connect with your followers.
Yeah. Nope. So what I love to tell everyone is to use that link in a way where you can, if you're trying to grow an influence, capture people's emails.
Yes.
Because once you have their email, you have another way to connect with them.
Right. Yeah, an email list and that email database is crucial. Crucial.
Definitely. And even if you're not sending out emails yet, or if this is like way beyond your kind of starting point where you are right now, using a platform like MailChimp or some sort of free email capture service, I highly recommend it, and looking into it and learning about it as soon as possible, because it is just another way. If you're starting a blog or a YouTube channel or another thing, it's just another way to communicate with people. And say if your Instagram does get hacked, or if you lose access or anything like that, you can send out an email to all your followers and be like, hey, I've been hacked. Come follow me on this new Instagram account, or come see me on YouTube or anything like that.
Yeah.
So
email us for sure. And plus, with the link tree, people are ADD these days, and so they'll go to the link tree to maybe sign up and download your, free work page, but then they'll be like, oh, YouTube channel, oh, silver shiny thing, oh, this, oh, that. So if you want emails, just have one link option, and that's it.
Yes, definitely. Okay, tip number 3, and that is to post relatable content. How much have we been preaching this lately?
Oh, ditch the perfection. Just be yourself, be vulnerable, be real, because that's what people want to see. They don't want to, if you just continue to post, oh, I'm so happy every single day of my life, that's not relatable, and it'll honestly just cause insecurities to start happening for your followers, which we don't want. We want them to be like, you know what, I had a shitty day too, or I have pimples too. Like, wow, I relate to you.
Yeah, definitely. This year specifically, I think is going to be that massive push forward. That perfection is gone, long gone.
Yep.
People want the real. I don't recommend, being a sob story on Instagram every day. Like, no one wants to see that or hear that every day. But it's that happy medium balance of just like posting the real. Like, if you are really having a shitty day, don't get on Instagram and be like, life is so great. Like, no, like,
the best is I posted a fitness video the other day, and I was like, I actually, in the caption, I said I was hesitant to post this video because I had a camel toe the entire time. And so instead of not posting it, I actually just paid attention, and I actually said in the caption, please ignore my camel toe. And I got so many comments and engagement because they were like, thanks for being real.
Yeah, and you know what? That camel toe struggle is real. Like, I can attest to this because being a fitness influencer, there's so many videos, so many pictures where it's like, in pictures you can like kind of Photoshop that out. And I will, because that's definitely not attention I want. But there are videos where I'm just like, oh.
You can't hide it.
And we all
it's part of being human.
Damn leggings.
Struggle's real. But that's being vulnerable. See, it's having people laugh about it. The camel toe talk.
Such a distraction. I love it. Oh, yep. Great tips on that. And from that, going into number 4, and that is building that community. So treat your Instagram account like your own personal community. Like, you're not just there showing up, posting something, and then disappearing. Like, no. Spend that first hour after you post, because not only is this going to raise your engagement value, but also learn to connect with your followers. Like, if someone is taking the time to come to your profile, leave a comment, you better be commenting back. You better be either saying thank you or liking it or something. Am I right?
Right. They're showing love to you, so you return that love, and you make them feel valued, them feel important, because people love shout outs or comments back, or asking them a question like, oh, I see you posted about this, like, where'd you get that? Or, oh, hey, so they love it's a community. It's like you don't like the friends that are just me.
No.
You want to add value and receive value.
Yes, I like to use this example for this one where it's like being, say if you're out in public in the street, right? And someone is just like, they're looking at you and they're like waving like, hi, hello, how are you? And if you just like look at them back at them like resting bitch face, like, no response. Like how rude is that, right?
That's rude.
So by not responding to those comments and sometimes even DMs too, like I feel like no one watching this channel right now, this video, you do not have hundreds and thousands and millions of followers where you can't respond to everybody. Like you can and you should.
Yeah.
So that's my biggest tip. Build that community, you raise the engagement, people will, like you're gonna build those friendships. And that's what Instagram is all about.
And I was just gonna say friendships is what Instagram's all about. And also you're able to become friends with people in London, in different countries, in different cities where you might never meet in person. And that's why you have this amazing opportunity to connect and build a friendship online.
Yeah, and actually, that's how Jess and I met 3 years ago. It was literally on Instagram. I had just moved to LA, and that's how we met. And we did like YouTube collabs a couple years ago, and so look, and now she's like one of my best girlfriends. So, yeah. And then lastly, my biggest tip to everyone watching this is stop looking at what the influencers with the 50K, the 100K, the 500K, the million K followings are doing. That is all stuff, like everything that they post right now, they all started doing this when there was no algorithm, when there was no influencers even, when there wasn't a sustainable like thing to do on Instagram to make money or to grow an influence or anything like that.
Right.
And those people, they're still posting that way and it will work for them for now because they can't change what they're doing. They are addicted to the likes, they're addicted to the comments. And so I highly recommend if you're just starting your Instagram account now and you're looking to be an influencer, please pay attention to those first 4 tips and stop. Just put those blinders on, right?
Honestly, it's just a number and the number it's not the most important. It's the engagement. You want a loyal following, not just a big following.
Yes.
You want those comments. You want that engagement. You want that friendship. You want to build that community. So stop judging, stop comparing, and that also just brings out insecurities that you don't want.
Exactly.
Be yourself and follow people who also inspire you.
Yeah.
Like that's what I love. Every time you post, I'm like, I'll try this workout. I like that tip. Like you want to follow people who give you that motivation.
And if you're getting on Instagram and if you're getting those negative feelings when you see a certain person or a certain account, whether they're your friend or not, unfollow it because it's just not worth it. It's toxic, right?
Yeah. Ditch the toxins.
Yes. All right, so those are the 5 important tips that every Instagram influencer needs to do on their Instagram account in 2019. Jess, thank you so much for coming onto my channel here today and chatting these things with me and bringing the importance of just being positive on social media. Now, we just also filmed a video for Jess's YouTube channel, which I've linked down below, which talks about
how to gain real loyal followers on your account who motivate you.
Yes, so I've linked that down in the description below, so please go check that out, go watch that video, and you'll learn a little bit more of how to tackle your Instagram for 2019. And also, if you haven't already, please download the Influencer Post Checklist Guide for free down below, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.